Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a Antutu Benchmark video between the OnePlus 6T against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So it's going to be the Snapdragon 845 versus the Kirin 980. Both of these phones have 6GB of RAM. They're both on Android 9 Pie. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is on performance mode. The OnePlus 6T does not have that. Now with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the Huawei Mate 20 Pro finished first, and overall it scored a little higher than the OnePlus 6T. It scored higher on the CPU, however a little less on the GPU, higher on the UX, and higher on the memory. So that wraps it up for this video. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have much more videos coming up, including the Google Pixel 3. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.